Ayan, so hello everyone, good morning. And today, ayan, so update po tayo dito sa ating Zoco Cloud Mining Investment. Then as of today guys, is ipapakita ko sa inyo dito yung ating request today for withdrawal. So magwi-withdraw tayo gamit yung ating Zoco Mining Cloud or Zoco Cloud Mining. So dito na part guys, meron tayo ditong $260. Then nasil na din po natin lahat ng ZVS natin, no? Wala na tayong may masasell today. So ayan po, tingnan po natin dito kung mayroon pang hahabol, no, sa ating fund. Then maybe bukas kung wala nang kung for example bukas kung hindi na tayo dito makahabol today ng ating mga bonuses, like for example dito yung ating mga team commissions. So maybe bukas magwi-withdraw din tayo dito, no. So ang purpose ng withdrawal natin this day and tsaka today is to inspire everyone na paying po yung ating online platform, which is itong Zoco Cloud Mining Investment. So dito na part guys is gawin naman po natin dito continue, just click natin yung wallet natin. Then dito sa part na to guys is click na natin dito yung withdraw, then click na natin dito yung 260. And so sa mga nag-question guys, no, kung bakit 260 ang i-withdraw natin, kasi kukunin natin yung team commissions natin dito guys. Ayan. So papakita ko yan sa inyo, ganyan po kaganda yung ating platform kasi pwede nating i-withdraw yung ating commission balance. Ayan. So sa commissions balance natin we have 51.88. So ilabas na natin yan lahat. Yan. Then type natin dito yung 260. So makukuha natin mamaya is 13,322. Then after na ma-enter po natin dito yung password, click po natin yung withdraw now. Okay, not enough balance. Okay, so hindi po natin ma-withdraw today, no, yung ating team commissions. Okay, 50, try natin. Ayan, so okay, bakit nga ba nag-success doon sa 250? Okay, parang nagkamali tayo kanina doon sa computation na yun. So at least na-withdraw po natin dito. Nakita naman po natin dito na naka-withdraw po tayo dito ng commissions balance natin. So we have, for example, dito is yung 250 na withdrawal natin. I think hindi nata tayo umabot ng 12K. 250. Okay, yung 250 balance natin is nasa 12,810 lang po yung na-withdraw natin. So ayan po yung ating withdrawal. Then as of today, akala ko ito na. May na-receive po tayo dito na 2.5, pero I think sa kakilala natin ito, no, akala ko ito na, ang bilis yata kung ito na. So dito sa withdrawal history natin, meron po tayo ditong processing na 250, and of course maybe later, no, i-update ko kayo dito mga 11 mamaya or 10 ma-approve po yung ating request dito for withdrawal. So yan lang muna guys, enough yung everyone, then bye for now. Okay, hello guys, good noon, no? So andito na po tayo sa ating Zoco Cloud Mining Investment. And as of today, yung withdrawal po natin, yung status po niya is nasa paying na po guys. At kung makikita po natin yan, no? So 8, kanina tayo nag-request 8:04 ng morning. So ang status na today is nasa paying na. Then ang request po natin is nasa $250. Ayan, so dito na part guys is makikita po natin yan later sa account natin kapag kung once na nag-success po yung ating withdrawal dito. So ayan po yung account natin, and of course dito sa GCash natin is masili po natin yan later, no, pag once na na-approve na yung ating request dito na withdrawal. So I think tayo yung pinakaunang nag-request kanina ng withdrawal. So tayong mamaya siguro yung unang marilisan. So I think mga 1 PM pa siguro ito mamaya, no, na ma-release yung ating fund. Yan, so hintayin lamang natin to. Kung hindi mamaya 1 PM, I think mga mamaya siguro mga 3 PM. So ganyan po yung process pag was na Monday tayo nag-withdraw, kasi marami yung mga request withdrawal dito. So ayan na. Hintayin, antabayan na naman po natin to, kasi i-update ko later dito sa ating account guys, no, pag once na na-receive na po natin dito yung ating na-request. So ayan po. Ayan, so balikan na lang natin to later. Hello everyone and good afternoon po sa ating lahat. Ayan, so today guys is meron po tayo ditong nakuhang update no regarding po dito sa pini-out natin sa Suko Cloud Money Investment. So as of today, meron na po ditong update sa GCash natin at na-receive na po natin 'yan. So kung nakikita po natin, so ayan po siya no, silipin po natin dito. And so maraming salamat po dito sa ating Suko Cloud Mining Investment. Then as of today, ito po yung ating fund. Ayan. So, nakuha na din po natin dito yung ating payout guys. Ayan. So, sa transaction natin, kung makikita po natin dyan. Okay, meron po tayo nakuhang amount na na-receive dito sa ating transaction history. Then, punta po tayo dito sa ating Suko Cloud, no? Sa ating Suko Cloud natin. And of course, dito sa part na to, tingnan natin yung ating withdrawal history. Kung, ayan, so success na po yung ating withdrawal history guys. So kung makikita po natin yan, meron po tayo ditong 250, no? So 250 po natin, yan po yung na-receive natin, no? So, ayan po, paying na paying po yung ating Suko Cloud Mining Investment. So maraming salamat sa ating Suko Cloud Mining Investment at sa lahat po ng ating team dito sa ating account. So abangan nyo po bukas dito yung another proof of payout po natin sa investment nito. So maraming salamat and happy earnings everyone.